Stop paying heavy prices. This is how people are getting a .edu email for free in 2026. I shouldn't be sharing this, but these free Edu emails unlock student discounts for products and services without being a student. Disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only, and you are not supposed to use this as an exploit, but to gain public knowledge. Before we get started, you need 3 softwares. 1. A good browser. I'll recommend either Firefox or Brave browser. Do not use Google Chrome. 2. Duo Mobile. Duo Mobile is a free 2-factor authentication app. You can find it on Google Play Store, Apple Store, or whatever store you are using. 3. An existing Gmail address, because you need this Gmail, either Gmail or any email address, but I'll recommend Gmail. Use it when creating an account, when signing up to get your .edu email. Now, if you've gotten all that, let's proceed with the video. Thing you need to do is open up your browser and go to this link. I'm going to add the link in the video description, or you can just pause the video and check the link out. So paste the link and you'll be brought here, and then they'll ask you if you want to start a new application. You should click on no. You don't want to start a new application. This will take you to this page. This is where you start your own application proper. Now come to this website, fake name generator, and get a name. I'm going to put the link also. Put the name in the first name link part and then cut it. Then click on this button that says you don't have a middle name, and then put your last name. Make sure you remove that G. You can also come up with a random name if you like. Then for the date of birth, you have to go back to around maybe 2003, 2004, 2002. You don't need the social security number. Then put in your real email here, and then a random phone number. You need a random phone number. Then confirm that you're not a robot. Then you are going to create a username. Then you'll be brought, it looks like the same page. You can just scroll down a bit. Now you have to create a password. Put in any random password you like. Then your account recovery question, you can choose anyone. What's your favorite TV shows? Then you can put on the answer. Then you click on next. Then you'll be brought here again. So here now you can put in a prefix like that start with Mr., Mrs. if you like. These are optional. And a suffix if you like. All those things are optional. Yeah, if you don't want to put them, you can just leave them. Then you scroll down a bit. You have to put in your address. So you copy this address from that fake name generator and go back. Then you put in the address here. Remember to cut this other part. Then you're going to put that your zip code, and then that's your city, Florida. Then it will fill in the rest for you. Then your sex, based on your profile, male or female. Are you Hispanic? Always choose no that you're not Hispanic, guys. You're not from Mexico, all the South American countries. Then I'll use a Black American, African American. You can choose your ethnicity. Is English your first language? Yes. Then all these parts now, choose no. You are not related to the army. You don't work for the army. Nothing. Then will you be living in Arizona? Choose no. The school is in Arizona. So choose no. You'll not be living in Arizona while attending the school. Then choose the states where you'll be living in. I'll choose Florida. Then what citizen are you? Choose that you're a United States citizen. Then click on this checkbox and click on next. Now your educational background. So scroll down, leave that up part, come here, say no, you don't have any educational background, like probably you don't have a high school diploma, and then you don't have a degree. Then if your parents have a degree, click on no. Then college of interest, use this one, Rio Saldo, and then choose that you're taking a class but you're not pursuing a degree, you just want to take classes. Then select plan, choose non-credit as your plan, and then you gain admission at Spring. Click on next, and then this part now, you just click on next again. Then click on this checkbox. Once you click on the checkbox, scroll down again, click on yes. Then here now, choose any random phone number. It doesn't matter, any random phone number, maybe 45688 or something like that. Choose a random phone number. Then I do not park on campus. Choose that you'll not be parking your car in the campus. Then come down, click on next. Then you have to give it some minutes. Sometimes it takes long, depends on your, but I'm going to skip the video to make it faster. Then now you have to put in password again, choosing the password you want, and then set your password. Then this is what it's going to do. Now ensure you take note of this email. This is your email. You can copy it somewhere so you save it, or you can just screenshot it because you are going to use it to log in. Once you've gotten the email, click on next step. All these ones doesn't matter. They'll tell you have to do your verification ID. No, just come here and click on add classes. That's step 3. That's the click on add classes. Now here you're going to put the email. Then put the password you created. Remember the password. Make sure you save the email and the password so you can remember it later. Then now they are going to ask you this school. They use there's an app called Duo. Go to Google or whatever. Click on Duo. Click on I have. Once you download the app, click on I have tablets. Then scan the code, the Duo mobile app. Yes, scan the code, and then click on I do not want to add any other device, and then you're going to log in with Duo. In your Duo app on the phone, they're going to ask you if you want to log in. Click on yes, and then this is my device. And then now you're going to use a private browser. Use Firefox or any other private browser, and then go to this link. I'll put the link. Then there, now you're going to put your email, put that password again like you just did a few seconds ago, and then wait for Duo to approve it. Once Duo approves it, then click on yes, this is my device. That's only using device, you're not sharing to anybody. And then it's going to log you in, and this is how you get your email very easy, fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section. I'm going to help you. And then thanks for watching, and have a great day.